Hey, you too. You know me, the Martin Morris engineer, had to learn how to sell to get out of the big house. Subscribe. Heading into an interview for a different position. So I'm going to go see what's going to happen with it. It doesn't happen until 8:45. So right now I'm reviewing some stuff, going over some. You subscribe. Back in 2008, I was over $145,000 in debt. How I got out of debt was working, turning the sales. And one thing you have to do when you pay those credit cards and loan payments, you got to pay more than your minimum payment. Pay more to your minimum payment. Remember, I showed you the calculation. Take your balance, time your interest rate, convert your interest rate, divide that by 100, divide that by 12, and then you'll find out how much of your balance goes toward paying off your interest. And you subtract the interest from the monthly payment, and that shows you how much your balance goes down. Try that calculation. Try it. Let me know what you get.